kana thirikari ni iheanite kuriukia na ugitiri kwagirithia makiria ruhonge rwa mathako guku bururi-ini ni uge uyikorirwo kiugwo ni president wa guku bururi-ini Ndagitari William Ruto uria ugite ati ni maheanite guthondeka iharo na gukorwo magicinyanĩria ikiro cia kimabũrũri akiaria igongona-ini ria Uruguria wa Nyumba ya Talanta Plaza netugiritie athaki aria maraikorirwo makirirũkia bendera ya Kenya kuria mwena wa Budapest guku ni bururi-ini wa Hungary. Mwangi wa Murugi no gikoretwo agituhaririria ripoti iyo.
To be part of this grand occasion of commissioning of Talanta House, the new home of the Ministry of Youth Affairs, Arts and Sports.
Ari ni igongona-ini ria kirugurio kia Nyumba ya Talanta Plaza umuthi mucini wa Nairobi. Mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ni atĩtĩrithĩtie iheani wa thirikari wa gutigirira ni agirithia ruhonge rwa mathako na mbeu njithi.
This project reflects our commitment to sports, youth and arts and is now the nerve center of the Talanta Hela initiative, our flagship program to monetize talent in our country.
Ruto ni augite ati ni mambikite mĩhang'o ya gutigirira ni mariukia na kwagirithia ruhonge rwa mathako na kwarahura mbeu njithi, akiuga ati nio mari na wa gukuria bururi, akiuga ati ni mambikite wakio iharo itiganite gukinyanirio na ikiro cia kibũrũri.
To prove the metal that we are made of by making sure that we complete all the stadia. That is why I asked CS Sababu to have a master plan on not just completing what we have, but also making sure that we expand opportunities to other areas. And not just that, making sure that all the stadia that we built meet international standards.
Ruto ni ugite ati nyumba ino ya Talanta Plaza ni kwagirithia utungata sekta-ini ya mathako, kuona utungata ni urahotomaga kumana na ruo gukorwo runyagite uge wake ukenyitwo mbaru ni Minister wa mathako Ababu na Mwamba.
Talanta Hala initiative is a true bottom-up program focused on empowerment, the creation of opportunities, and the transformation of sports, youth affairs, and arts.
Is now going to be the home of the Ministry of Youth Affairs, the Arts and Sports. It is a significant milestone for this ministry, Excellency, because this ministry has been scattered all over the place.
Na kurumirira mikana iria bururi uwekirirwo muthako-ini wa mubira wa maguru, kurumirira thirikari kuingirira mithako, Babu akigathiriria makinya maria matacukitio niguo gucokia bururi mithako-ini ya gibũrũri, akiuga ati ona ciiko cia uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kuongerera hinya kuri ateng'eri ni ng'ethanĩirwo nacio na njĩra igwete.
We inherited football that was under suspension by the World Football Federation, FIFA. And Your Excellency, with your guidance, we moved with haste to engage the FIFA President Gianni Infantino, and today Kenya is back in the international footballing field.
Hindi ya igongona riri athaki aria mararũgamĩrĩire bururi mahenya-ini ma thĩ yothe mucini wa Budapest bururi-ini wa Hungary magĩtugwo nĩ ũhotani wao. Handũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV ĩrĩa kwa Mwangi.
Ngatho cia mwanya.